guys, today I will be showing you how to put on this press-on nails. On the side of the box, it says safe on natural nails and hassle-free removal. On the other side, it says it has gel finish and new dual layer adhesive and good for 12 months after opening, and at the back it just shows how to put it on your nails. So let's try it on! It contains 30 press-on nails. And at the back, it has prep pad. That's for the step 1. And the stick to push the cuticle. And a nail buffer, which is so tiny, it's so cute. It also contains this instruction manual. Select a press-on nails that will fit in your fingernails. Use prep pad to thoroughly cleanse nails, removing any remaining soap, oil, or dirt. Peel off clear backing to reveal adhesive. Align nails with cuticle. Remember, place sub side at cuticle. Press down firmly starting in the middle, then firmly on each side left to right. Helpful tips. Always apply both thumb nails last. Nails feature pressure-sensitive adhesive. The more firmly you press down, the stronger the adhesion will be, resulting in longer wear. If you're in between two sizes, choose the smaller size. Nails can be filed to desired length and shape after application. Ta-da! It's done! It's so beautiful and I love it! Thank you for watching!
Hey guys! Welcome back again to my channel!